Good morning, y'all. I hope y'all having a blessed Wednesday morning. I hope y'all are staying disciplined. On and off the charts, y'all. On and off the charts. Remember, if you're not being disciplined outside the charts, with your health, with being productive or whatever you have going on, if you're not being disciplined, you're not gonna be disciplined on the charts. Trust me. I done learned, and now y'all see I'm about to go get my run on as soon as I finish this quick little video. So look, I just wanted to go over gold real quick and see how we had this bullish momentum here. We came to a point where sellers just took control. We got a dump. We made a higher high, higher low, a higher high, higher low. This low didn't go below this low. Got another higher high. Now, what you think's about to happen? Are we gonna get another higher low? As long as we don't go below this low, gold is bullish right now. So I just wanted to just share my thoughts on gold. We're gonna hit the charts in a minute, but right now we're gonna shut this computer down. I gotta go get my workout on. I gotta get my run in, my squats, my push-ups, sit-ups, my planks. We're gonna get all that in because I'm gonna stay disciplined. I'm gonna stay disciplined. Like I have to. So this is week number 2, going strong, staying disciplined, and it's showing up on the charts, y'all. When you're disciplined outside of the charts, it's gonna show up on the charts. So do yourself a favor, and whatever it is that you're supposed to be doing that you haven't been doing, go do it. Stay disciplined and watch how it shows up on the charts. Y'all, I appreciate y'all. We're gonna hop on these charts in a minute, but I'm about to go get my workout on. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So I just finished my 2-mile run. You can see it. Oh, got my 2 miles in. We're gonna stay at it. But now that I'm done with that, let me catch my breath first. I'm over here thinking, like, why did I decide to get serious with my working out when it get cold? It's so cold out here, it's like 30 degrees. But let me catch my breath, rest up for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna get on these charts so I can show y'all my gold trade. Whew, all right. All right, y'all. So look, I'm done. I caught my breath. Let me show y'all. And really, y'all, this is for me. Like, I'm documenting my journey. So everything that I'm saying on here, this is for me to, once I make it, you know what I'm saying, make it. This is for me to come back and just look at and see how I used to trade and just look at my journey altogether. But if you learn something from it, you take something from it, cool. But this is really for me, y'all. So I'm really talking to myself. But all right, let's get into it. So right now I'm on the 1-hour chart. I caught this play yesterday. I saw that gold was respecting its support. Now it looks like it was coming out. It looked like it was gonna sell down to this, but keep in mind, you gotta make sure you're looking at the higher time frames. So I looked at my 4-hour. I saw that we was respecting it, and then especially on the daily. On that daily, as you can see, we respected that support. We did not break below this at all. So always go off your higher time frames so you don't get mixed up, get confused, and take the wrong trade. Now let's go back to the daily. Hold up. Now, as you can see, this is just pure market structure. As you can see, gold was bullish, just going straight up until we ran into sellers. At this point, no more buyers was in the market. Sellers came, pushed the market down, and we stopped right here. The buyers jumped in. When the buyers jumped in, we made a higher high. You see I have it marked. And then we came down, made a higher low. We did not go below this low. The market came and broke through this higher high, creating a new higher high. We had a retracement, made a higher low. We did not break below this low. We made a support here, and it's just the same thing, y'all. It's an uptrend. We made another higher high. So what you think we're about to do now? Make a higher low. As long as we don't break below this higher low right here, gold is bullish. And see, I have my alert set. If we break above here, I'll be finding a entry to get in for a buy to take back up to this high. I'm really not too much looking for sales because I don't want to. I'm trying to stay disciplined, y'all. I'm trying to stay disciplined, and only if we're in an uptrend, I'm only taking buys, unless like, let me see. And honestly, I'm be trying not to stay disciplined and try not to trade in this consolidation. But this right here, I had a small risk to take it back up. But what was I doing? What was I doing? Oh yeah, and also before I trade gold, I always go look at the dollar, see what the dollar is doing, because they pretty much are opposite. So if the dollar is buying, gold is selling. If gold is buying, the dollar is selling. So I was on here. Go to your daily so you can get a better look. And I saw that, you see, I had this trend line, and I trade, y'all. I'm a zone to zone pretty much trader. I do use supply and demand, but mainly I focus on my zone, just going from zone to zone. So I had my trend line here. I saw that it broke my trend line. Go to the 4-hour. We broke that support here. We also broke the trend line. We got a retest of the trend line. We fell below the support, and it's just the dollar is crashing. So that lets me know that gold is definitely buying. But now I'm just waiting. Now I'm really just waiting to see if we're going to make a higher low, if we're going to sell off and make a higher low to continue to be bullish and go back to that high point, to that highest point up here. Excuse me. So are we going to, let me see. Are we going to see, we got this high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, are we going to come down anywhere in this area? Anywhere. It can drop all the way down to here. As long as we don't break below this low here, this higher low, we can come anywhere within this area. So let's see if we're going to make another higher low. And say, even if it comes here, higher low, boom, and then take it back up to that high. Let's change this color. Yeah. So let's see if we can get something like that. If we can make this higher low. And for me, I'm just sitting on my hands until then. You gotta stop chasing trades. Just go off your higher time frames. Stick to the daily, the 4-hour, and then I take my entries on the 15-minute or 5-minute. So yeah, so once we get down here, if we get down here, I'll be looking, and if we respect this support and it creates a higher low, I'll be looking for my entries to take it back up to this high. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments. And y'all, I'll see y'all at the top.